So the green contrast from here, and then you've got the panelling and you've got the display. It's sort of great at every angle.
It's stunning.
Really,
it really
is stunning.
And it's completely unique.
The kitchen in House 5 is fun, it's friendly, it's quirky, it's risky, just like the guys who created it. Jimmy and Tam, congratulations. This is a sensational kitchen.
Thanks, Shelley.
Thank you.
We're really proud of it, and we love the layout, the style, everything to do with it. It's beautiful.
Functionality, it's perfect.
How did the design process go with Kinsman? Did you say, I would love a green kitchen with black bench tops, or did they offer some advice along the way?
They were really helpful with the layout. We took to the consultation that we were going for something different in our house, the 1950s. We wanted to use colour. We wanted to do things people hadn't seen before. So Kinsmen were really helpful in bringing that to life for us.
They were amazing, and they're so knowledgeable in their products, so it was really helpful, to help us create the perfect kitchen.
I bet they were probably really excited about the prospect of doing something different, and you have used a lot of new products for Kinsman in here. Like the doors down the front here, these are the new enamel accent doors in the Ballina range. I think I got that right. You can choose so many different colours, but this lovely green tone works so well. And then you've got the new Camden profile, which is like a new take on shaker styling here in your doors as well.
It's absolutely stunning, that.
And even with the colouring, we knew it was being quite bold, but we want it to be iconically 50s. And as soon as you look at that colour, you think 50s straight away.
So where did the idea for the Caesarstone Black Tempal benchtop come from?
Well, no, when we were in the consultation with Kinsman, they had a whole range of the Caesarstone benchtops. And then we had a panel of the mint green and a sample of the Black Tempal and sat them together with the brass, and we were like, that worked.
Another Kinsman feature that I know you took full advantage of is hidden in the drawers, but it's the decorative glass side runners that just add that little bit more glam to your kitchen, don't they?
Yeah, they do, and they give you a little bit more depth within the drawer itself as well, so yeah, it's really good.
And then add to the fact that you won the amazing Gaggenau appliance package. This is not a 1950s kitchen, people. This is a 2050 kitchen, really, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
It's a whole new level, and it only just starts here in the main kitchen, of course, with your Gaggenau induction.
You know, having the best of both worlds. You've got electric induction, which is top of the range. Then you've got your wok burner right next to it for gas. A chef cannot ask for much more than that.
No, they can't. And then you move, of course, you've got the wine fridge, which is very, very obvious.
Yep.
But the integrated Gaggenau here is just ridiculous.
Super impressive,
It is.
Isn't it?
It is.
Yeah.
And here it is, the Great Wall of Gaggenau. Jimmy, if you're the chef, talk me through it.
Well, we've got a lot going on in here. So I know it looks like 3 appliances, but there's actually 5. So we've got coffee machine, plate warmer, keep those plates nice and warm. Then we move over to one of the ovens, and then sous vide vacuum drawer. So this is every chef's dream, this bad boy. Both of these ovens are all touch press to open.
Oh no, stop.
And self-cleaning. So they have a drawer for water and they self-clean themselves. So you don't have to worry about cleaning up any mess.
The fact that you've chosen to add a little bit of the accent mid-green in here is lovely. It just keeps that freshness going through. But you chose not to actually close the butler's pantry in. Whose design idea was that?
I think we both sort of wanted the open plan kitchen to
definitely.
continue into the butler's pantry. Because I mean, closing it off and being able to close the door and make a mess gives you the option to make a mess.
We've just got so many beautiful elements to the kitchen that we didn't want to hide them. We wanted them to be a feature, because you can sit down that end of the kitchen and look straight down here, and it's a feature in itself. There's so many beautiful things in this kitchen.
It's such a great space, and as you say, creating that flow back into the kitchen.
Yeah, we love it.
And this is a new profile too, is it? This is the Avalon?
Yes.
Yeah, the Avalon panelling. Kinsmen were really excited to put this into a kitchen, because it's something that you can't have your whole kitchen in, because it gets a little bit too much, but the amount of it here is just perfect. It sits in there nicely.
Judges had a bit of an issue with the fact you didn't have a dining table for this whole living space, but the width of this island bench and the length, you have created a dining area down the end.
That's exactly right. And when we designed this, we didn't want to break this bench top up with a cooktop or a sink. We wanted it to be a complete bench with the dining area at the end, so it feels massive. I think it's 3.5, 3.7 metres long, you know, and 1,200 mil wide. You can't get much bigger than that.
And it seats 6 people. It's a dining table in itself.
What's your favourite element, Tam?
I just love the green. I love the colour. I think the colour is so beautiful and bright. Yeah, it's beautiful.
And Jimmy, do you have a favourite part of the kitchen?
Oh, it has to be the Gaggenau. It really does. Like, I mean, I love to cook. I mean, some of the stuff I don't know how to use, but I'd love to learn to use it. But I mean, just the induction cooktop, the wok burner, 2 range hoods, 2 sinks. Like, I mean, this kitchen has it all and more.
Yep.
Like, I mean, it's beyond anything we could have ever dreamt up.
Yeah.
It is your dream kitchen.
It is.
Absolutely.
100%.
Yeah.
I think anyone that gets to use this space is going to be blown away by how well it has been designed. It's amazing.
By you.
By us.
Oh, yeah.
And Kinsman.